Now I'm going to show you how to make use of the Google Plus Traffic Finder. So I'll be explaining each one of the interfaces in a separate lecture. So let's first start with the Google Plus Traffic Finder, and you can see that there are two sections in this interface. One is to enter your keyword details and other is to save your file for the report. So first, you can see that in keyword details you have an option called lead keyword and an option called main keyword. So let me explain you very clearly with an example so that you can understand what I'm trying to convey you. So let's take an example. If my keyword is buy iPhone, then my lead keyword would be buy. Okay, and then my main keyword will be iPhone. So usually the lead keyword is a supportive keyword of your main keyword. I hope you are now clear about what is lead keyword and main keyword. Give your lead keyword and main keyword in this keyword details section and then select a file to save all the reports. So this file should be a notepad file. Select a file for this, and once you have done with everything, after giving your keyword, selecting a file, click on start. So once the process is started, you can see the progress of your process in the status bar right here. After completing everything, all the list will be saved in the notepad you have selected. So you can make use of that list in the next interface. I'll be explaining about how to make use of the list you have received from this interface. So I hope now you are very clear about how to use the Google Plus Traffic Finder. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. I'll help you.